This one is from Daisy Marquez. Closed caption video doesn't show up captions, doesn't show captions on user's end. So this is a different one. Oh, okay, this is cool. I don't mind this one. Exported a video from Adobe Premiere Pro in H.2.6 format. Well, that's exactly what I do. Shared it through OneDrive to two other people. One person sees the caption, but the other doesn't. How do I help her see captions? She requested I export in AVI, but it comes out to be a very big file when using the format. Well, here's the thing. You've exported a video, right? You've exported a video from Adobe Premiere in H.264 format, which is a standard format nowadays. It's used by YouTube, this and that, which is fine. It's a high definition format, and in this case, I'm assuming the captions were added inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. And it says you shared it through OneDrive to two other people. One person sees the captions, but the other doesn't. So this confirms to me that you've added captions inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, right? You've added them in there, and they're there, right? They're provided. And you shared it through OneDrive. Now, if you were to share it like on YouTube, YouTube sometimes creates their automatic captions, and all you have to do is just turn on the captions, right? You click on that CC, right? You click on the CC, the captions come on. In this case, it sounds like you've created captions specifically, they're just not visible to one person. And then she's asking that she requested you export in AVI, but it comes out to be a very big file. Yeah, AVI is a huge file, and for those reasons, people like to use H.264, H.264. Now the newest one is actually 265, which I think is even smaller when it comes to the size of compiled video. But in this case, it's working, and it's shared through OneDrive. The only thing I can think of here is that the captions are there. One person sees it, the other one doesn't. Is that the second person that can't see the captions hasn't turned on captions in their media player. So, however they're playing it, they haven't enabled captions. So how do we know that? Well, we know that because one person sees the captions and the other one doesn't. That means the captions are there. Captions are there, but the other person doesn't see them. Well, the only reason that I can think of right now is that they haven't enabled captions. So that's what I would concentrate on and ask them, what kind of player are you using? Does it play through the browser? How are you downloading it first? Is it being played through just Windows Media Player? You know, that's what I would look at. And then compare to the one person that does see the captions and say, well, this other person is using this video player. So I really think the issue is there. Exporting in AVI, which makes me wonder that this is they're using Windows Media Player, but I don't know. You're gonna have to check these things. I'm going to say, I don't think I've ever talked to Daisy before. I'm gonna say, hello. This is Irvin with PC support. I have your ticket about CC, closed captions. Not to be confused with CC, which is carbon copy, which is used in email, right? You click on CC and it sends a copy of an email to somebody else. And so this is closed caption for a video. And I'm going to say, I'm going to do it like this. I think the issue may be related to the video player being used. User probably needs to turn on captions. say compare the players, the video players. I'm going to be specific. Video players, video playback software. Aha, how about that? To the other person who is able to see fine. I hope that makes sense. So I said I think the issue may be related to the video player being used. User probably needs to turn on captions. Compare the video playback software to the other person who is able to see fine. I'm going to say please let me know if that helped.